Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off screen time on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to turn on or off your screen time, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and in settings, very first I recommend you have to try to update your app or update your software to prevent any kind of issue. Then scroll down and look for screen time, just select it, and here you will see your screen time. You just have to scroll down if you want to disable or turn it off. Just tap on turn off app and website activity. Tap on turn off or confirm it from here. So once you have done, your screen time will be disabled. So now to turn it on again, just tap on app and website activity, then tap on turn on app and website activity, and your screen time will be enabled again. So in this way, you can easily disable or enable your screen time. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.